guys. We're going to talk about a problem using OBS and then trying to import your videos into Premiere Pro, because natively, without doing a little extra work, this isn't going to happen. So I use OBS to record, and when you finish recording, by default, if you haven't changed any settings, you get a MKV file. So here's one of my MKV files I want to import into Premiere. But if I just drag it over and copy it, I get an error. This file has an unsupported compression type. I believe after 2019, Premiere stopped supporting MKV files. So in OBS, what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Remux Recordings, and we're going to select our file we want to change into MP4. The problem with recording straight to MP4 is it's not a stable recording file, meaning if something happens and you run out of disk space, or for some reason the file isn't finished correctly, you lose what you recorded. The MKV doesn't have that same problem, but the MP4 is what we need for Premiere. So we select it and we hit Remux. It's been remuxed. So we should see in the same folder 2022, this guy right here. And now, when we drag that, into Premiere, it shouldn't have a problem. And that's how you do it. It's a really quick conversion, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I hope that helps.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.